Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. The capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow was built by Nawab Asaf-ud-Daula. It is one of the most ancient Hindu states in India and has a rich historical and cultural heritage. There are numerous temples, monuments, churches, and mosques strewn across the city. Best time to visit Lucknow? The best time to visit Lucknow is during the months October to March, when the temperatures are neither too cold nor too warm. Summers in Lucknow can reach upwards of 45 degrees Celsius in peak season.
Want to go on a trip? Friends are busy? Need a travel companion? Don't worry, now you can connect with travelers traveling to the same destination on Exceeders.com. All you need to do is join your city club and publish your trip plan with travel dates and place you are planning to visit. That's it. Verified tourists, travelers, and backpackers looking for travel partners to the same destination will contact you.
How to get to Lucknow? Air. You can catch a flight to Lucknow Airport from Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata, Varanasi, Patna, and Indore. It also has direct flights to Muscat, Sharjah, Dubai, and Jeddah. Train. Lucknow lies on the Delhi-Gorakhpur Railroad. You can make connections from Agra or Allahabad. Bus. Lucknow has two bus stations, Alambagh and Kaisarbagh. You can catch a bus from ISBT Delhi. It is about 480 kilometers away. Car. You can drive your own vehicle or rent a cab to reach Lucknow. Lucknow Transportation. You can choose to travel within the city by car, auto rickshaws, two-wheelers, and bus. Accommodation in Lucknow. The hotel rates in local guest houses charge 500 to 800 Indian rupees per night. However, the rates go upwards of 2500 Indian rupees at star-rated hotels. Must try signature dishes in Lucknow? You must try the Mughlai food in Lucknow. The place is renowned for its tikkas and kebabs. It hosts the famous Tunde kebabs. The Makhan Malai and Kashmiri tea is another must try. Best places to eat in Lucknow? Tunde's kebab at Sharganj Mall, Haji Sahib's shop at Akbari Gate, Bajpai Kachori Bhandar at Leela Cinema Road, Ram Asre Sweet Shop at Banwali Gully, Al Zaiqa at the area nearby Novelty Theatre, Dastarkhan at the area nearby Tulsi Theatre, and Aryans at Hazratganj. Top tourist attractions in Lucknow. Ruins of the Lucknow Residency Museum. It is the scene of the 1857 First Battle for Independence. State Museum Zoo. It houses artifacts and is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Bara Imam Bara and Bhul Bhulaiya. It is a large and complex tomb built in the late 18th century. Buddha Park. It is a peaceful place to unwind. Also, there is a statue of Lord Buddha. Regional Science Center. It is an interesting place to visit and people of all ages come here too. Ram Manohar Lohia Park. It is a wonderful park with natural, beautiful surroundings to soothe your senses. Aminabad Market. This is a very old market and is popular for selling leather goods, hand-embroidered dresses, and delicious snacks. Hazratganj Market. This is a very up-to-date and fashionable market. You can find all the renowned Western brands here. Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary. This is a renowned bird sanctuary and is located on the Kapur Lucknow Road. Indira Gandhi Planetarium. This planetarium is a good place to find and learn new, interesting things. Chota Imambara. This mausoleum is built in the name of the third Nawab. Christ Church. It was built in memory of the deceased of the 1857 revolt. Jama Masjid. It is an architectural marvel and is definitely one of the most beautiful mosques in India. Sankat Mochan Temple. Located in the heart of Lucknow, it is a place of worship for devotees of Lord Hanuman. Kaisar Bagh Palace Complex. It was built in the late 19th century by the then Nawab Wajid Ali Shah.